Number 1. Have 2 areas ready for things you may no longer need. One effective strategy to maintain a minimalist lifestyle is to designate 2 specific areas for items you might no longer need. This proactive approach helps prevent clutter from accumulating and makes it easier to stay organized. Having a dedicated spot for things you're unsure about or ready to part with allows for a more conscious decision-making process. By having these 2 distinct spaces, you're more likely to recognize when an item transitions from being a necessity to becoming unnecessary. This simple practice cultivates mindfulness about your possessions, making it easier to let go of things that no longer serve a purpose in your life. Number 2. When a desire for an item arises, wait before making a purchase. In a world filled with online ads and quick delivery options, it's crucial to resist the impulse to buy immediately when a desire for an item arises. Instead, create a purchase plan for your active mind. Jot down the non-necessity you want to buy and let it sit on a list for a while. This waiting period allows you to contemplate whether you genuinely need or want the item. Imagine alternatives and assess if you already possess something that could fulfill the same purpose. This approach helps filter out impulsive purchases and ensures that what you bring into your life aligns with your minimalist goals. The list often reveals that many initially perceived must-haves are, in fact, non-essential. By incorporating this habit into your lifestyle, you gain better control over your consumption habits and avoid unnecessary additions to your possessions. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 3. Acknowledge retail attractions that erode your rational thinking. We all have our weaknesses when it comes to shopping, and it's essential to recognize and address those triggers that cloud our rational thinking. Whether it's a cozy hoodie, a favorite mug, or a tempting fragrance, these retail attractions can easily lead us astray from our minimalist goals. Identifying your specific triggers is the first step towards building resistance. During my early days on the minimalist journey, whenever I felt the urge to buy something unnecessary, I would repeat to myself, "I have enough. I am enough." This simple affirmation helped break the spell of impulsive buying and redirected my focus to the primary goal of mindful living. Number 4. Don't save your stuff for the future. Use and enjoy what you have now. Now that you've embraced a minimalist lifestyle, it's time to let go of the habit of saving things for a special occasion or the uncertain future. The items you've chosen to keep in your downsized and decluttered space are likely what you truly need and cherish. Embrace the simplicity of having fewer possessions and make a conscious effort to use and enjoy what you have today. Special occasions are not reserved for a distant future, they are happening in the present. Whether it's using your favorite dishes, indulging in that artisanal soap, or savoring a unique treat, every day offers an opportunity to make the ordinary extraordinary. Number 5. Don't judge yourself for the things you want and didn't use. Reflecting on past purchases is a crucial part of the minimalist journey, but it's equally important not to judge yourself harshly for decisions made in the past. Understand that you made those choices with the knowledge and mindset you had at that time. If certain items didn't find their purpose in your life, it's okay to let them go without lingering guilt. Reclaiming your space involves recognizing that we are constantly evolving beings. Our preferences, needs, and perspectives change over time. And what seemed essential yesterday might not hold the same importance today. Instead of dwelling on unused purchases, use this as an opportunity to learn and refine your understanding of your own evolving needs and preferences. There you have it, 5 easy ways to maintain a minimalist lifestyle. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.